In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma Buzz how to create assets. By the end, you'll know how to open Figma, find the Buzz workspace, pick or start a template, add new assets, refine them in design mode, and publish your template for others to use. Start by opening Figma in your browser or desktop app and signing in. From your home screen, you'll see your recent files and team spaces. This is your jumping off point. If you're new to Figma, don't worry. Everything we're about to do happens inside a clean, guided interface. Next, head into Buzz. Think of Buzz as a focused area for managing templates and the assets that power them. It's a great place to organize reusable pieces so your team stays consistent. Take a second to look around the interface so you know where your current templates and assets live. Now choose how you want to begin. You can start from a template available in the community or create your own from scratch. Community templates are helpful when you want a head start or to learn established patterns. Starting from scratch gives you full control. Either way, make sure your base template reflects the brand foundations you care about, like color styles, text styles, and spacing rules. When you want to expand your template, click New Asset. In this context, an asset can be a component, an icon, a button, a card, or any reusable element. As you add assets, name them clearly and group related variants together. Consistent naming will save you time later when others search or swap components. Keep sizing and spacing consistent. And if you're using auto layout, verify that padding and alignment behave the way you expect. If an asset needs tweaks, switch to design mode from the control at the bottom of the interface while that asset is selected. This lets you revise details such as colors, type, constraints, and interaction states without leaving your flow. Make quick adjustments, preview how the asset responds to different sizes, and confirm it still matches your template's visual language. When everything looks good and you're ready to share your work, click Share. This is your gateway to getting feedback or distributing your template. Take a moment to double check that the key assets are included and organized, and that your cover or preview communicates what people will get. Finally, click Publish Template. You'll see options to finalize details so others can discover and use your work. Add a clear title and a concise description that explains what's inside and how to use it effectively. That's it. Your assets are live inside a polished template. Congratulations and happy designing.